guys, me Terry from TJ's Tiny Homestead. It's been a couple weeks since we did our bedding plants video, so I'm going to take you out there and show you where they're doing. That's our pet rooster, Clyde. He likes to crow in the middle of everything. Anyway, give me a few seconds to get out there and I'll show you what we got. Guys, here's our little greenhouse setup. As you can see, our pepper plants are coming up really good. Our Roma tomatoes are coming up really good. And our beef tomatoes, they're really good. We're getting ready to separate them into separate cups. And over here in the cups, as you can see, they're all doing really good. Really happy with it. We go down here, and the ones over here doing good. Tomatoes. We're gonna have so many tomatoes. And over here, I've got my marigold plants. This plant is barely coming up. I don't know what the problem was. Maybe the dirt, I don't know. But they're coming up slowly. Down here, these marigolds are really coming up really good, as you can see. I'm really happy with them. So we're going to have a lot of marigolds playing around the yard. Over here, I put some cannas in these recycled rotisserie chicken containers that had clear lids. They're doing really good. I started these with seeds in the house, and you can see how tall they're getting. So by the time they're ready to go outside, they're going to be pretty big. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.